Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be continuing the pre-algebra series. So the first question of the day is, compute this equation. So in previous videos, I've already talked about the distributive property, but if you guys haven't watched that, it's basically, it follows basically this formula. And then that would equal this. So that's basically the distributive property. And we can utilize the distributive property in this because we can take this and turn it into this. And here we can see that there is a common number, 1990, so you can pull that out, so you would get this. And then inside you can see this is a subtraction sign, so we can go 1991 subtract 1989. So that would be this made into the distributive property style. That way, we know that the inside of this would equal 2, so it would be 1990 times 2. But this one is also kind of hard to solve if you don't use the standard algorithm. So let me just real quick get rid of this. So that would also be, you can also solve it as 1990 could be 2000, because it's very close to 2000, subtract 10 times 2. And then if we lift the parentheses again, get rid of this real quick. If we lift the parentheses again, it would be 2000 times 2, so 4000, subtract 10 times 2, which would be 20, which would equal 4000, subtract 20, 3980. Now, the second problem. Compute 998 times 23 in your head. So you can't use the standard algorithm, basically, but I'm going to write it down to show you guys the step process. 998, you can kind of tell here, is very close to 1000. So we could write that as 1000 subtract 2, following the same logic that we explained in problem 1, times 23. And then we lift the parentheses and we distribute it out again, so it'd be 23,000 subtract 2 times 23, 46. That would equal, do it in your head, so 23,000 subtract 40 first, so that would be 22,006. 22,960, subtract 4 again, 22,960, so then subtract 6. Moving on to problem number 3. The sum of the first 10,000 positive even numbers is how much more than the sum of the first 10,000 positive odd numbers? So let's see here. Let's visualize this, and the even numbers, what is the first even number? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus ... plus 10,000, since 10,000 is even. And then to make it easier to read, let's go 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus ... plus 9,999, because that's the last odd number. And if we lift the parentheses here, everything in here, since in front of it, it's a negative sign, so everything in here would be changed to a negative sign as well. All the addition signs, So that way we have this equation, right? You can kind of notice here that the relationship between the even and the odd numbers, the even numbers are all greater than the odd numbers by 1. So we can kind of find that, so it would be like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, forever and ever, until you get to 10k. And there you can kind of realize we just need to know how many ones there are. And there are 5k ones, so the answer is 5k. Yeah, and I hope this video helped. I hope you guys learned at least a little bit more about pre-algebra in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!